Can't tell. The park light's on. Oh, yep, he's moving. Oh, yep. Definitely moving. Here it comes. Here, let me walk up here. The northbound from the Mount Clemens sub. Yep. Around 5:30 this morning, so. Had to make a stop somewhere in Smith's Creek, I think. I'm not sure where it stopped, I don't know. Here it comes, yep. There you go again. There he comes. Moving pretty quick. There's the gates. Here it comes. Yep. Wait, I will. Comes. There's a new engine. Look at that one. Look. $33 $32.18. It goes. Cool. Cool. Yep, because you're northbound. Yep. I think that one up there might go southbound. It might. Yeah. The orange pin's in the way, so I do that. Cool, wait. Yep. Yeah, I see an M384 northbound train, I knew it. Yep, I can tell it is. Yep, it is. Pretty cool. Look at that graffiti. Yeah, I see an M384 northbound train, I knew it. Yeah, nice. Graffiti. Funny looking. Yeah, that'd be a nice car. Yep, makes a flatbed. That's a long train too. A lot of auto acts now, huh? Yeah. Ah, crap. No. God, that's snowing crazy. Going fast now. Yep. Ah, there's the end. There it goes. Cool.